Welcome. What you're about to watch is a video from my Getting Started with Reminders course. Specifically, this is about smart lists. This is an excellent feature that Apple has introduced recently into reminders that lets you really do some high-powered stuff with reminders. Again, making it the best application for pretty much anyone with an Apple device to start off with as their task manager. 2 places to get the whole course. 1, SkillShare, find it below. Or number 2, curtismchale.ca/membership, where you can get all of my courses included. Also a link to that in the description. Have an awesome day. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at smart lists and what they can do to add power to filtering your reminders so you can see just what you need to see when you need to see it across projects. So if you look on my list, you can see I actually already have one smart list and I can show smart list info. So it lets me label the list, and I don't know if I have a capital W in there. It bugs me. I can set the color. I can set the icon, right? So I could set a hammer in here since this is my hardware list where I need to buy stuff at the hardware store. That's going to change the icon for my list. And then the important part is actually all of this. So it includes reminders matching all. And so it lets me set, in this case, just the hardware tag. But if I have multiple parameters, I can choose all parameters, right? So if I added this, the hardware tag and date in a specified range, or probably relative range in the next 1 week, and I can include past due items. So now if I looked at my hardware list, I'm probably not going to have anything because there's nothing with dates on it. So if I show the info and I remove that, now I can see I have grip for the front steps, which is actually too cold for me to get at the moment because I missed buying it when it was warm enough still. Now to create a brand new smart list, we will click Add List, and then we will say Smart List, and now we can name it. So this is my new smart list. So this can now allow me to do something like anything that is flagged. And I want it to match any of these items. And this is telling me an old Mac in my house cannot use this, which is fine. It's literally just around to run Plex. And now I can also say, or it has date is in a relative range of the next 1 week. Actually, I said next 1 week. I'm going to include past due items. So this would be priority. And so this is going to show me including reminders that match any of the following rules. Date is in the relative range of in the next week, and if it's flagged. So now I've hit OK. I have priority, and I can see that I have my member newsletter, invoice, change a doorbell transformer, put away umbrella, and do the prep for Daytona for her lesson that I have to video for them. So smart lists allow you to add lots of different parameters. There are lots more in there that can suit you. You can set up based on a certain date, so everything due next week, right? You could do that as well. You could do that or with a tag or with any other parameter that is provided in the smart list. So it can be a really powerful feature to help get a lot out of reminders to slice and dice your tasks so you can see what you need to see when you need to see it.